Now we're watching Luke look at pictures on the computer. Let's see what Luke sees. Wanna look at pictures?
Oh,
No, where'd it go? Let's look at pictures first. Who's in this one, Luke? Let's see. Uh-oh, we don't want to look at those. How about these? Who's that? Who's that? Say Lukey. Who's that? Okay.
Daddy.
Yeah, Daddy. Who's that?
Bobby.
Poppy. And who's that?
Ada.
Who's that? Mama? Who's that?
Buggy.
Lukey. Yeah, baby Lukey. Ew. Who's that?
Mama.
Mm-hmm. Who's that?
Daddy.
Mm-hmm.
Gabe.
Gabe?
Sissy.
Sissy?
Daddy.
Daddy?
Mama.
Mama.
Baby.
You're the baby.
I got
Oh, you geek.
I got being like a mama. I got mama. I got day. Kid. I got Sissy.
Mm-hmm. Ooh, you're smart. You know
Daddy?
everybody, don't you? Let's see. What else do we have? Birthday. Let's look. Oh, you are so drooly. Don't drool on the computer. Oh, gosh.
Us.
Oh, gosh. Who's that?
Daddy.
Daddy. Oh, ow.
Daddy.
Ow.
Baba.
You hurt Mama. Ba, ba, ba. Ba, 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 ba. Are we all done?
Okay.
All done.
Your best. Oh, your best.